Thanks so much for coming to the Mini Med School. I'm your host, Dr. Dan, and today we have not the Beast, but the Beauty.
I'm a Belle princess.
You're so right. I'm so sorry. What I should have said was for our discussion on Belle's palsy, we're so excited to have Princess Belle with us. Thank you for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
So correct me if I'm wrong, but you first became interested in the topic of Bell's palsy after you were watching NBA basketball and learned that one of the players had Bell's palsy. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, well, before we dive into the diagnosis, I want to talk a little bit about some anatomy as it pertains to Bell's palsy, which Sage will help teach us.
Hey, let's talk about the cranial nerves. The cranial nerves are a set of 12 nerves that come from the brain. Each have a different function that is responsible sensation, movement, or both. Cranial nerve 1 helps you smell. Cranial nerve 12 helps you stick out your tongue. Cranial nerve 7, or the facial nerve, helps move the muscles of the face.
Thanks, Sage. So, with Bell's palsy, the inflammation of the facial nerve causes the drooping of the mouth and the inability to close the eye or raise the eyebrows.
What causes it?
It's commonly associated with stress or reactivation of certain viruses such as herpes and chickenpox.
I don't know. It's not a stroke.
Facial droop is one of the big signs of a stroke, so I'm really glad you bring that up. And anytime that you have some of those symptoms, I think it's important to contact your healthcare provider right away.
Oh.
But the inability to close your eyes or to raise your eyebrow is much more consistent with Bell's palsy.
What do you do?
Getting the nerve less inflamed is most important. Steroids such as prednisones and antivirals are the mainstay of treatment.
How long it take?
How long does it take?
Yeah.
It usually takes weeks to months for symptoms to go away. Some do have long-term paralysis, however, this is rare.
Oh.
Well, I hope this makes Bell's palsy a little bit clearer.
Yeah?
Also, I think it's really cool that you're into basketball.
I don't like watching basketball.
You don't like watching basketball? Why is that? Because why?
I watch basketball with my dad.
Aww.
Crazy on movies. Feel like I just need a dance.